What a great way to start your day, by having a little go on the pit bike up the local mountain bike section, I would say. Anyway, I'm just doing a quick track inspection, making sure everything looks safe. Look at these, they don't do it, the GoPro doesn't do it justice. Once you get to that route, it suddenly climbs up. On this one, when you hit roughly where the bottom of that tree stump is, that's virtually vertical up to a tree root. It's all worn out. Got 3 different jumps here, all really small though. I don't think I'm going to like jumping on that because it feels really heavy. Track looks fine though to me. Let's get ready to do some piking then. Pit biking for short. Bloody hell, that's what I hate about little wheels. As soon as I hit that tree root, it sent me off. Oh, that was lucky. Right, then let's get in second gear. Right, it's mild. Did it? Just stalled. That is a difficult, someone like me, it's not the average person's going to do that one. You're getting hot. It's all this slow stuff. I don't want to go backwards. No, there's not a lot of... This is a pretty heavy bike. That's slippy if I start going. Oh, you little... It just wants to go down. is not as easy to ride in here as I thought it might be. It's because of the small wheels and that heavy engine. I don't want to do any jumps because I don't want to rip out my engine mount bolts or anything like that, because that's a possibility. It feels like, I've said before, I think it just needs a good set of front forks. That would possibly sort that out. The back feels fine. Right then, that's a nice little warm up into the next section. What? Oh, that log nearly knocked me off. Never been a bother before. It's these little wheels. with a bit of death grip at the moment. Holding on to this thing's not easy. Not quite getting dialed into it, so that's probably why I'm getting death grip. But you know, that's why I'm a bit bike sexual. I like to try all bikes and just I don't really get used to one, and then I jump on. Well, by the time I've got used to one, I jump on another. You know what I mean? So that's all good. I enjoy that part. Bonus when you can go home without having an off or anything like that. So yeah, let's wrap it up there then. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed MOTO Machines